Let's draw a bag.
B-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Start with a line, and then another line, and then another line. And guess what's next? A line! This drawing has a bunch of lines and 2 curves. We're going to add another line here. Then we're going to add the sides. So let's start on this side with 1 line to here, another line to here, and then another line to here. Next, we're going to add 3 more lines. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to add 2 lines. 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2. Now we have a complete shape. Let's add the details. Let's add 3 lines over here. 1, 2. And then we'll add 1 that goes up. And then we're going to add 1 line across. And now we are going to add 2 curves. 1, 2. These are the handles. This is a bag. What will you add to this bag? Will you put something inside? Use your imagination and see what else you can add to this scene. What color will you make it? Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.